I'm going to get one of these. That looks a bit of mustard in it. Look at that. You need that with a bit of beef.
Give me a little bit of mac. I mean, it's really small. I know what you like.
Look at this, guys. Lovely, eh? Bit of pulled pork there. Bit of brisket. Can't beat it.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. We're just going to eat this and we'll come back to you, yeah?
Lovely.
Yeah, we'll come back to you.
Great stuff.
Go around it.
Thanks, guys.
We'll be back in a
Thanks.
sec. Just don't eat this.
Wow. Lovely.
Stop it.
Hey, look what Dev's eating. He's got a bit of mac and cheese there. Look at that. Hey? It's lovely. Look at this, guys. Lovely. Hey, look at that fork sitting in there. You know where that fork's going? It's going in my mouth. Right.